Hello viewers, you're welcome to another edition of another tutorial. So today I'll be showing you how to fix this tiny eyelet using this tool. I know most of you have seen it. So if you want to fix this tiny one, this is the one you use. Then if you want to fix a wider one, which I'm going to show you. So if you are going to use, if you want to fix this type, can you see it? This is the tool that you will use. Exactly, but today we are not working on this. We are working on this ones using these tiny pins. So you can get these pins from many of your tailoring shop. Is that okay? So I'm going to show you how to use it now. So now the first thing you are going to do is to create the holes. You can see that I have already done two so that make it easy for you to understand. So you can see that I've all these markings here. I've already measured them 1 inch in between the spacing. Is that okay? You can make your own wider, but this 1 inch is okay. Is that okay? Then to create the hole, I'll be using my soldering iron. I'll be using my soldering iron, which is this. This is it. Can you see it? So I'll be using it to create the hole. So just watch carefully how I'm going to do it. So you are going to place it this way. Then this one, place it on the point that you want to make the hole. Then you have to steady your hand. So once you do that, you see that the hole automatically will just be created. Can you see it? You can see how wonderful this tool is. So I'll be creating another one. Alright, so you are going to create all the holes, then I'll tell you what you are going to do next. So the next thing that we're going to do now is to put your eyelid this way inside. Can you see what I've done? So let me illustrate for another one to see. So alright, so the next thing now is just to pick the teeth. This is my tool. Can you see it? You can see it has 2 teeth. So the one that has this protruded side, that place will be up. So you're just going to place it this way. Then you press very hard. You can see, that is all. So you're going to repeat the same to the other one. Repeat the same process. Then you are done. So after doing that, you can see we are done. So you can see your corsets hole straps are ready. So thank you for watching. If this is your first time, you are welcome. I want to thank all those that have been supporting the channel by subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.